Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can read Instagram direct message without being seen. So you have an Instagram account, you use that account to make a lot of posts on Instagram, you create a lot of memorable posts, you create a lot of stories, you have a lot of people connected there like friends and families, and a lot of people message you there. And for some reason you want to read the message but you don't want to be seen and you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to read the Instagram direct message without being seen in a very easy way. There are two ways to do it. One is a little complicated process, one is a very simple process. I'll show you the complicated process in first, then I'll show you the simple way in second. So watch this video till the end to know both the processes how you can do it. So do the first process. What you want to do is open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to see the message and not be seen from. Once you're logged into that account, to read the Instagram message without being seen, what you want to do is search the very person that you want to read the message and not be seen from. To do that, what you want to do is go into the explore page of Instagram, then search the very person you want to see the message and not be seen from. Once you search the person that you want to see the message and not be seen from, open their profile. Once you open the profile, what you want to do is restrict them from your profile. Now, to do that, what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner. Once you tap on the three dots, from the drop down menu, the third option should be labeled as restrict. Tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, from this pop-up menu, give the confirmation to Instagram to restrict this account. So tap on the restrict account option. Once you tap on the restrict account option, this account will be restricted. Now what you can do is tap on the message option. Once you tap on the message option, you can see the message they have sent. Until and unless you unrestrict this account, they will not know whether you have read their message or not. So that was one way to read the message in Instagram direct without being seen. The second way is a very easy way, but it might work, it might not work. It's not 100% accurate. So the second way is a very simple method. What you want to do is open your Instagram, load your account. Once you load your account, before opening the message, what you want to do is turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data and disconnect your Instagram application from the internet. Once you do that, go ahead and open the message that you want to read the message, close the message. Until and unless you're not connected to the internet, Instagram read recipients will not be shown in the Instagram account. So those were these two simple ways in order to see Instagram message without being seen. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.